Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix PayPal money on hold. Like every time you receive a sale or anything like that, it's always on hold, okay? Or some like transactions are immediately added to your PayPal balance, but others are on hold. Now, I'm going to be showing you why this happens and how to fix it. Now, the reason why this happens, especially when you are selling, for example, 5 items a day, and all of a sudden you started to sell 10 items a day, that will make PayPal hold the funds because they want to build trust with you. Okay, that's exactly why you hold some of the money that you receive on your PayPal account. Now, what I want you to understand is this is just temporarily, okay? It's not going to be permanent. PayPal will start to release the payments immediately, right away after you receive a sale. But also depends on if the person that sent you the money, the selected friends and family, or the selected service or digital product or a service. Now, if it's a service, PayPal wants to make sure that you actually delivered the thing to the customer that paid you on PayPal before they release the payment. So what you need to do is you want to click on the transaction. You just need to click here on activity in the top. Depends on your PayPal if it's personal or business. Just click on activity and then you will be able to see the payment. Now you just need to click on it, okay? Click on it, and then here you will be able to see add tracking number. Now if it's a service or a digital product, it's not required to add tracking number. Just select not required tracking number, or it's a service or digital product, and then click on order processed or completed, and then PayPal will release your money within 24 hours. Now if the person that sent you money you still have contact with, like you still contact them, just contact them, say something like, hi, can you go to the transaction, click on confirm that they received the service or a digital product or a physical product. That's why PayPal will say, okay, they already delivered the product, now we will release the payment. Now that's exactly how it works on PayPal. If you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.